Hello! In today's video we are going to learn how to update your graphic driver on Windows 11 machine. The whole process is really simple, let's jump straight to it. First, go to your search button, then type in Device Manager and click on the icon that will appear. Now, in Device Manager window, search for display adapters and expand the window. Keep in mind that this name may be different for you depending on what graphic driver you have on your machine. Now right-click on the graphic card name and select option for update driver. Next, select option for search automatically for driver. If there is a new update for your driver, your PC will download it automatically and install it for you. Our second option is to search for Windows Update and click on Check for updates. After a brief moment, Windows will download all the necessary drivers for you if there are any available. Congratulations! You now know how to download the newest graphic driver for Windows 11 machine. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next one.